Yeah! Okay, so we're at this house and we're about ready to tear out this chimney with my truck, the big Dodge. Okay, here we go. It's gonna get exciting here. Here we go now. Easy does it. There we go. There is some gas! Well. Oh my gosh, there she goes. Oh, whoa! That was awesome. Woo. Hey, you need a pepper truck on the job, that's why Dodge. 1997. There we go, big Dodge. That was amazing. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful.
Did you get it all right?
Heck yes, I got it.
All these bricks we're saving?
Of course they are. They're just...
Well, let's back up. We'll put a chain around that now. Pull that out there.
Alrighty.
We're getting pretty close to the bottom. It should pull.